Because it's in the middle of Italy. We lived in Spain before, and we decided we loved Italy more when we were still working. We were always on holiday in Italy, and we've seen the north, we've seen Sicilia, Sardinia, everything. And it was very hard for us to pick where to stay. And Umbria is in the middle. And we are very close to the train station in Terni. We are very close to Roma, which of course is the Eternal City. And it's a very friendly place. We live here all year round, so it's not a holiday home. A lot of foreign people live here. There's people from Colombia, there's people from Peru. I fall in love with this place. I go to the supermercato, the little one, I go to the bar, and people were so nice, people were interested in us. And if I need help, I have a lot of telephone number of people, and it feels like home. It is a beautiful place, and it has, I find Borgo Fontelicino is for me is home. Yes.
I'm from Holland, from the southern part of the Netherlands. Well, we came to Italy because my wife said I always want to live in Italy, and that's about 3 years ago. We're living now in Italy for 2.5 years, something like that. Yes, I love it here in the Borgo Fontelicino. It's beautiful to live. We have nice people here, and the owner, he's a very nice guy, and he rented us this house. And well, it's good living here. It's quiet, nice people, it's clean. We have beautiful apartments here, and they're not expensive, so Borgo Fontelicino. Yes, that's the name where we live. It's a very nice, clean, beautiful Borgo in the hills of Montefranco.